That black yo magic. That black yo magic.
Hello, wonderful people. It is me again, Kelsey, gracing your wonderful computer or cell phone screen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do another unboxing for the Coach Outlet X JLO collection, or is it the Coach X JLO collection? The links for all the items that I'll be unboxing and the previous video for the Coach X JLO Melita 19 signature shirling bag unboxing. Woo, that was a long one. But yes, next I'm going to be boxing a couple more pieces from the collection. There are tons of beautiful pieces from the collection. And if you just want a preview of what the last bag looks like, it's this one. So if you're interested in this unboxing and more details on that bag, click the link either here or here. You can also check it out in the description of this video. So part of the collection featured some really awesome bags, and one of my favorite bags from the Coach Outlet is the Marlie bag. I actually have a couple of them, one of which I'll be selling on my Poshmark, so I'll leave the link for that below if you're interested in purchasing one of those bags. I just have so many Marlies at this point that I need to get rid of a couple of them, so yeah. But yes, when I saw these two bags, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have them. I love the Marlie bag. I love the top handle look. I love the look of these bags. They're quilted leather. They're so nice and such great quality. I'm surprised they're not on the regular Coach website. Got these on my birthday discount. My birthday's in October, thank goodness. So I did get a 10% discount on these items. I definitely recommend signing up for the Coach Insider program, either on both their outlet and their regular website, because you do get a birthday gift of 10% off. Let's get unboxing. Here is the box, you guys. Okay. Here we go, y'all. These have been sitting here for about a couple days now. I've just been waiting to unbox these with you. So I have my mic right here, so hopefully you guys can get a little bit of ASMR as I open these. Alrighty guys, so I have it pretty much unboxed for the most part. I do need to grab some scissors. Oops, look at me, I got some scissors. Look at me. And I don't know if, you know what you guys, at first I thought it was the bag. I was like, oh my gosh, this packaging is like crazy to get off. But then I realized it's the nails. I was just rocking some simple little vibe going on right now. I don't know if you guys can see it in frame, but it's so cute. This bag, you guys, is so freaking cute. Like on camera, it's picking up even brighter. And that's not to say it's not very bright in person. I think the lighting's a little dim right now, but this bag is beautiful. I haven't seen anyone unbox this yet, so I hope that I'm the very first video that you're seeing, and I'm hyping you up, sis, because this is where it's at. This is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cute. It's so freaking cute. It's so freaking cute. This bag is made of the Nappa leather. This is the lambskin Nappa, I believe. Not exactly sure because it just says Nappa on the website, but I'm pretty sure this is a lambskin Nappa. So just a little specs on the lambskin Nappa. If you're new to Coach's leathers, you can find this on coach.com/support/products-care. So it says here that it's crafted from a fine grain Italian lambskin. The Nappa has a natural sheen, a buttery feel to it. and they recommend to avoid overexposure to heat and moisture. So yes, honey child, this is amazing. This is a beautiful bag. Let me give you some color information. This is in the gold/dark Cardinal. So it looks like a more of a cherry red in camera, but in person it is definitely more of a little bit more of a muted red. It definitely probably looks as bright as it looks on camera, probably in the sun. I have a lot of light coming onto the bag, so right now with my eyes it doesn't look very bright, but I'm sure once I get in the sun it'll look as bright as it looks on camera. It definitely pulls a little bit more cherry red. The feel is very, very buttery. It also is a quilted bag, which quilted bags are very much in style right now, so it is a quilted leather. It is a structured bag, meaning it won't lose its shape if you take the stuffing out or anything like that. It does have a really nice top handle. There is Coach labeled on the handles here, crafted very well. There's Coach labeling on here. You won't be able to see that, but I will show close-ups. There's Coach labeling on this chain that's in the front, and this is a custom look, I think, from the collection with JLO, because the other Marlie top handle satchel bags don't have this chain. So this is just custom for this particular bag. It also has, looks like a much larger lock. I think the other Marlie top handles have a smaller one. I'll compare it with my other ones because I do have a couple other of these Marlie's top handles, and I'm pretty sure this is much bigger than the other ones. And I'm gonna go ahead, and take this out. When you open up the bag, oh, okay. So I just noticed something. I feel like this chain makes it a little hard to open. I don't know if maybe they want you to like take the chain down to open the bag. But yes, so when you open the bag, it just has, I'm trying to see what the inside says it's made of. I think it's just fabric. It feels like a microfiber inside, so microfiber is really easy to clean. And from what I've been researching about purses, because anything that I like to purchase, I like to do research beforehand, so it won't trap smells and stuff like other materials. So that's nice. It's really nice and smooth. The Coach little tag in there. There is a zipper compartment, one zipper compartment. There is a pocket in there. The pocket, and there's a zip pocket as well. The zip pocket is nice, and that's where I found my little care tag. You take the chain down, it sits like this, so that's really cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the chain back, and we're gonna see how it looks when I open it again, seeing if that chain kind of gets in the way still. And this leather is very, very soft, so I can see from bending it that it's definitely gonna create wrinkling on the leather, but I'm not one of those people that doesn't wear their bags because I don't want them to stay perfect, because new bags come out all the time, so get a different one. But yeah, I think this is so beautiful, you guys. I'm a little bit concerned about this chain right here. It kind of keeps me from opening it all the way. So I think the mechanism is to unhook this and then open the bag. I don't know how I feel about that. All I know is I still love this bag so much. I think it's so pretty. I think it's beautiful. I don't necessarily like the look of the front of it without the chain being there. So I do think the chain adds an extra oomph to the bag. So yes, I like it much better with the chain there. Worth the money. So I think the comparable value, the value of this bag, if not on the outlet, would be $498. So it's about 50% off, or $200 off the price. So definitely worth it. And if your birthday just happens to be around the time of this collection and you sign up for the Insider program, you can get 10% off. So that's really, really awesome. So this is the Coach X JLO Marlie top handle.